Cracker Barrel, and they have Valentines. Let's check it out. I'm not even sure where to start, so let's start at the beginning, at the front here. They have their classic salt and pepper shakers. They have the green conversation heart that's as if, and they have the yellow one that says pass. I know these used to be 99 cents, but I want to say the price has gone up on these, so they're not marked, but I'm going to try and find out. And I did find out that the price on these are going to be $1.49 now, so the price did go up some. They also have this cute little sitter here. He's pretty small. He's only about 5 inches tall. He's going to be $7.99, but I love the wired heart-shaped glasses he has, and he's got his little cup of coffee there and his little heart cup. So adorable. And we've seen something like this at places like Home Good and TJ Maxx, but they have them here too. So it's a set of 4 marble and wood coasters. It's going to be $12.99. This puzzle piece is super sweet. You're the missing piece to my heart. That's going to be $12.99. They also have this little tabletop ceramic heart here. It kind of has a little whimsical shape to it, and it says love in gold. It's going to be $6.99. Okay, there's no price on these, but how funny is this? The Perfect Man gummies. They also have this book here, Guess How Much I Love You, for $16.99. How pretty is this stained glass nightlight? That is so pretty. I really like the black trim on it with the pink heart. Kind of looks like watercolors. It's going to be $20, $19.99. And if you're looking for it, it does come in a box like that. So if you don't see it out on the table, look for the boxes. There's also a couple of really cute novelty pens here for $4.99. So the red one has the heart that says XOXO. And then the pink one has the hearts and glitter with the diamond on top. Faux diamond, of course. This is hilarious. This is a metal coffee mug with the lid on top. That's going to be $16.99. It says, it's not me, it's you. And then the back, it just has the gold hearts all the way around. That's so funny. For the pet lovers, they have this little tabletop sign here in the shape of a heart. My Valentine has paws. That's going to be $10. This is a little tabletop kind of wood block sign as well. It says love is in the air. It's going to be $8. They also have this tumbler here. This is also metal. It's going to be $17.99, and it has the dog pictures all the way around. Otherwise, the wording is just on the one side, puppy love. This guy is so cute. He's a big blow mold. He's probably 3.5 feet tall. He's going to be $70. That is the sweetest teddy bear ever. They have a few different tea towels out as well. So this one says, this too shall pass. It may pass like a kidney stone, but it will pass. That's kind of funny too. Love the colorway on this. It's the pale pink with the red heart lollipops on it. It's a metal tumbler, has the red lid. It's going to be $20. They also have this cute little notebook for $13. It has a plastic cover on it with the hearts cut out, and then the little kind of page marker clips there with the conversation hearts. That is really cute. How pretty is this glitter globe? It's going to be $25. This is a very pale pink tinted glass, and then it has the silver iridescent glitter on the inside. It is going to light up. I just shook it so you can see the glitter moving around in there. It doesn't have batteries in it right now, so you would need to add those. But how pretty is that? This is gorgeous. Beautiful angel with the heart and the flowers down at the bottom. It is all ceramic. It's going to be $15. That is gorgeous. It's going to light up as well. They, of course, have their version of the Mylar balloon sign that says love. This is in a very pale gold, almost champagne, but it definitely leans more towards gold. It's going to be $17. In that same colorway, they have the hearts, the hands making the heart. That's also going to be $17. They also have this Wicked tumbler here in the lavender. That's going to be $13. They, of course, have an assortment of different candies and things here. I'm partial to the Sour Patch Kids. These are going to be $6. They also have this wall decor piece here with the black frame and the black writing that says love. The background is kind of an off-white, almost an oatmeal color. It does have a little bit of texture on it, and that's going to be $20. Okay, I can't get too much closer here because the whole table is in front of me, but that glitter globe with the roses on it is so pretty. That's gonna have the glitter kick up into it just like the heart one did that we just looked at. This one is gonna be $35. And then right next to it, they have the bottle-shaped glitter globe that says Be Mine on it. That one's gonna be $30. And look how pretty this tree is here. This is gonna be $20 and it's gonna light up. It has a little platform there. It almost looks like a bonsai shaped tree, but with all the roses on it. That is super pretty. I only see it in the pink, but that's okay. We like pink here. They have this 2-pack of towels. This is heavier than a tea towel. This is definitely more like a kitchen towel. It's a set of 2. It's going to be $13. So this first one says, roses are red, violets are blue. I love my dog way more than you. And then the second one has the paw prints and the hearts on it. That is cute. How sweet is this little teddy bear? And guess what? He's a blow mold. That's right, he is a blow mold with all of his little roses on him, and he's holding a little red balloon. That is just so cute. He's gonna be $40 for this little bear. Let's see, in terms of size, because you probably wanna see how big he is, he's gonna be just more than 2 hands tall on him. And then this, you go 3, probably 4 hands tall all the way up to the top of the balloon. So maybe 2.5 feet to the top of the balloon and 14, 16 inches on the bear. They also have a whole bunch of little plushies here, so we'll go through some of them. $13 for Snoopy here. This really cute quilted hat. Yes, it's quilted. Can you believe it? It's a really pale pink. It's going to be $17. That's the back of it. They have a little Western duck here with kind of a cow print on it. That's going to be $8. And the fun little sloth here is going to be $9. For $10, you have, I'm guessing this is like a Highland cow with those horns there. They also have this pale pink faux fur blanket. It's a 50 by 60. It's going to be $40. And if you can see, it has the little raised hearts all over it. That is really soft. I mean, butter soft, you guys, and really pretty. They also have these little plastic kind of reusable bags that you can use as a gift bag. These are usually only like $1.99 or so. There's no price marked on them, but they're pretty inexpensive. And there's really nowhere for me to lay him down, but I found him on a bottom shelf. He's a dragon with wings. There's the wing. You can see that better. He's gonna be $25, and he's heavily weighted. He's got a lot of beans inside of him, so he's got a lot of weight to him. But how cute is that? They also have a bluey plush here holding a heart-shaped balloon. I'll try and find the price for you. There's not one marked here, but so cute. They also have this little piggy here. The tag's calling it a cube animal. And yeah, he's in the shape of a cube. He's gonna be $13. They also have this book here. You get 3 exclusive Lego models here in this booklet. And it's like an activity book. So you have little games inside that the kids can play. And that's gonna be $15. And we know we all love a good cozy moment. So they have this pack of 3 socks for $15. You get the cherries because that's the theme this year, apparently, is cherries everywhere. There's also a pair with the roses, and that middle pair is going to have hearts. Very, very soft on those. And of course, they have their classic selection of accessories. These glasses are really cool. They have some gold detail on them. Those are going to be $13. This headband's going to be $15. It kind of reminds me of the Bose tree toppers that we saw for Christmas, but super cute. They also have this little charm bracelet with all the different charms on it for $20. And this set of 3 earrings for $17. They got a few fun bag charms as well. This is going to be $10 for the pink glittery heart. Well, it's more like a rhinestone finish on it. They have a packet of conversation heart magnets for $8. These earrings are really pretty. They're going to be $17. I really like those. Those are nice. And of course we got the cherries again. That's going to be $10 for this bag charm. This necklace and earring set's going to be $25 with the heart-shaped pendants on the necklace. There's also this 3-pack of heart-shaped earrings. So you get a pair in gold and silver, and then the silver one with the red on it. That's really, I'm trying to get closer so you can kind of see what that red looks like. It's sort of glittery. Those are going to be $17. This pair is also going to be $17. These pajamas must have sold really fast because I'm only seeing, trying to get this to hang up here. I'm only seeing the 1 pair in an extra large. It has the cherries and the hearts on it on the stripe. It's like a pink on pink stripe with the red piping. $40 for this set. It's a long sleeve and long pants. The pants are a straight leg. That's so cute. They also have some really cute tops here. So this is like a chambray fabric. It's going to be $50. It does have that nice ruffle collar on it. Long sleeves, and that's what the cuff of the sleeves looks like. And those hearts are like a navy blue. They also have this sweater here with the red rhinestone hearts. Again, long sleeve there. I do like the finished hem on the bottom of that and the sleeves. That's going to be $45. They also have this sweatshirt here with the stack of puppies on it. It's going to be $30. And the collar does have that double shirt look to it, but it's just the look. Not actually a second shirt under there. Really cute. They also have this sweater here. It's going to be $55. I do like that one as well. It says love with the heart. They also have these little zip pouches here on the keychain kind of piece there. These are going to be Stitch and Angel. This one says I'm stuck on you, and this one says be mine. They're both in a heart shape. Okay, and the last thing that I see on this table here are these salt and pepper shakers with the candy boxes. Those are stinking adorable. Love those. They also have a couple of racks of Valentine cards out as well. Some really cute ones of animals and pets. Those are sweet, and then some more traditional ones there as well. They have a few cute mugs here also. So they have Hello Kitty for $9. They also have this strawberry shortcake one. This is very cute, but there's no price on that one. And then they have this strawberry shortcake one for $10. So the other one might be either $9 or $10 as well. For $40, they have these cute little cow pajamas with all the hearts on it. This one's going to have short sleeves and the long pants, kind of a straight leg ankle on those. That one's really cute too with the pink piping. If you look around the store, you can find a whole bunch of other bag charms. This one I thought was super cute with the heart. That's going to be $9. They also have this one here in the faux leather for $10, and it's a magnet. It just magnetizes to whatever. They also have this balloon dog one. That's also $10. And this one here with the hearts and the cross and the other charms, this is going to be $10 as well. And I know you knew we would find one. There's one with the cherries and the gold. That's really pretty as well. I wish that was in silver though. That's going to be $10. They also have some heart-shaped earrings in their jewelry section. This is going to be $13. These are going to be $18. And this bracelet matches for $25. This silver bracelet with the pink hearts on it and the kind of faux diamonds is going to be $20. This gold one with the hearts and like the infinity symbols is also going to be $20. These are really pretty. These are going to be $20 as well. And that is going to do it for our walkthrough at Cracker Barrel today to see what they have out for Valentine's. Thank you for joining me, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and hype it if you don't mind. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss further uploads, and I will see you in the next one.